There are often locations on your PCB where conductors need to pass in your pads or vias. The routing tool will use the design rule minimum clearance to avoid these obstacles. But what if you want to increase the clearance from the conductor to pads or vias to avoid bottlenecks in your design? In the past, this had to be done manually and was a time-consuming process of centering the conductors between rows of conductors and pads. In Altium Designer, the new centering feature helps you avoid unnecessary bottlenecks and create optimal conductor paths. This happens by automatically adding clearances between a conductor and existing pads or vias on another net. If you need to densely place conductors, then Altium Designer will automatically reduce the gap and center the location of the conductors relative to other obstacles. Additional clearances can be added in various modes, such as when routing, sliding, or glossing conductors. It's also available when routing differential pairs.